Payhip uses a clear hierarchical structure for organizing courses. Understanding this structure is essential for creating well-organized, professional courses. At the top level, you have your course, which serves as the main container for all your educational content. Courses are divided into modules. Each module represents a major topic or learning objective within your course. Within each module, you create individual lessons. These break down your module content into digestible, focused learning segments. Finally, each lesson contains content blocks, the actual materials your students will consume, such as videos, documents, and quizzes. Now, let's explore the different types of content you can include in your Payhip course. Payhip supports multiple content types to create engaging multimedia courses. Here's what you can include in your lessons. Video files are the backbone of most online courses. Payhip accepts MP4 and MOV formats, with each file supporting up to 2 gigabytes in size. PDF documents provide downloadable resources like worksheets, guides, and reference materials that students can keep forever. Audio files in MP3 or WAV format are perfect for podcasts, music lessons, or supplementary audio content. Text-based lessons with rich formatting allow you to create written content directly within the platform. Basic quizzes help assess student understanding and provide interactive elements to your course. Creating your course follows a straightforward process. Let's walk through the essential steps. First, develop a comprehensive course outline that maps out your modules, lessons, and learning objectives. Next, create all your content materials, videos, documents, audio files, and any other resources your students will need. Set up your Payhip account and configure your payment settings to start accepting students. Use Payhip's Course Builder to create your module structure, organizing your content logically. Finally, upload and organize all your content within the modules you've created. Payhip provides excellent technical infrastructure for your courses. Payhip offers unlimited storage for your course content, so you never have to worry about running out of space. Unlimited bandwidth ensures fast content delivery to your students anywhere in the world. There are no restrictions on student enrollment numbers, allowing your course to scale without technical limitations. With this solid foundation of modules, content types, and technical capabilities, you're ready to build professional courses that engage and educate your students effectively. Payhip offers multiple pricing strategies to maximize your course revenue. Understanding these options helps you choose the best approach for your content and audience. Tiered pricing is particularly effective, allowing you to offer different value levels at various price points. This strategy can significantly increase your average order value. Drip content is a powerful feature that releases your course material over time rather than all at once. This approach significantly improves student engagement and completion rates. Here's how drip content scheduling works in Payhip. You can easily copy schedules between courses and customize the release timing for optimal student engagement. The statistics speak for themselves. Drip content courses show 65% higher completion rates compared to courses with immediate full access. This translates to happier students and better reviews. When comparing platforms, Payhip's pricing structure becomes even more attractive. Here's how Payhip compares to competitors like Gumroad across different sales volumes, showing significant savings as your business grows. Successful course creators combine these strategies effectively. Use tiered pricing to capture different customer segments, implement drip content to boost completion rates, and leverage bundles to increase your average order value. These tools work together to maximize both student satisfaction and your revenue.